you're going to need a ruler, plastic ruler. You're going to need some washi tape. You're going to need some double-sided tape, a pair of scissors, a little roller. Now we have all of these things available in our booth as well, and we have a little bitty bone folder. Need is these little tab things that you use to put your pages in your Bible, and we'll show you how that's done. And then you're going to need some little labels for each of your prayers, and we have some of the prayers already done right here where they already have the little things on them like this, but Beth's going to walk us through how to put a set together and go from there. So you take this, and you got your two little flaps here. You're gonna take that and set it right down into the crease of the Bible like this. Then you're gonna make sure that the top and the bottom of the page is inside the Bible page. Then you're gonna take your ruler like this, stick it down in there and press down. And you're gonna hold that with one hand, and with the other hand, you're gonna pull up. I don't know if you can see me, but this makes it so much easier if you pull that little piece out like that. And then what you do is, just so you can see, your ruler's here. Then you're going to take your ruler and pull it that way off your page. And look, it's attached in there in the Bible. Okay, now we got to do the other side of it. So here we are again. You're going to take and stick your ruler in here. You're going to press it down with one hand. Now I got to set this down on the table because it takes two hands. And I'm going to start pulling that little strip. It'll pop away from that washi tape. And then see how it's sitting up like that? You just take your ruler and fold it over like that, and it gets it right in there. And you take your finger and press it. Or you can use the little bone folder, and you go right in there and you press it just like that on one side, and then you come back and do it on the other side. And that's how you put a page in. Okay.
You're teaching me with my imperfections, reaching me when I run the other direction. I'm undone,